Well, hello, Grace. I hope you're having a good day. Got a little fun magic trick here for you since you enjoyed the other one so much, and I hope you enjoy this one. This one is 95% the exact same card trick that you did before. Um, and that's one of the nice things about this trick is it's just so easy. It's literally almost the exact same trick you did before. Um, what you want to do is first say, okay, yeah, cut the cards. And all right, you'll say, all right, those are yours. Go ahead and take them. And I'll be taking these. One of the big differences between how you're going to do this versus how you did it before is before you would say, all right, put down 10 cards. This time you make it 5. All right, there's two differences, and they're both very easy, but instead of doing 10 cards, now you do 5. So you say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then you say, okay, you can shuffle if you want, but you don't have to. And just for kicks, we're gonna shuffle. And, all right, say put down 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You wanna shuffle again? Yeah, sure, why not? Kind of adds a little bit of fun to everything. I just dropped one. All right. So say, okay, put those down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to do the shuffle some more? Sure. Go ahead and shuffle. All right. Shuffle it a little bit more. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that okay? You want to shuffle again? Are you sure? Yeah, why not? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got one left over. Go ahead and put it on top. And then this is where the second change happens. You say, okay, as you're putting down 4 cards, I'm also going to be putting down 4 cards just to kind of go along with you. And then they say, okay, cool. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting all mixed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, and so now they've got their 4 distinct piles. It's a little hard for you to see them. There, moving back just a little bit. All right, but here they are, 4 distinct piles. Then you say, okay, well you did a great job, but as they're putting their 4 cards in their 4 rows, you're going to take the deck that you have that they did not take, and you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And you say, okay, well, cool. This is the fun part. Now flip over your cards. And all right, this is gonna be a little hard to show you. But instead of getting all aces like they did before, now they have ace, 2, 3, 4. And you say, okay, well, that's really cool. You went ace, 2, 3, 4. How neat is that? But then you say, I never shuffled my cards, and I have 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now all of it goes together. Ace, 2, 3, 4 on their end. 5, 6, 7, 8 on your end. All right, super simple. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So first things first, what you're gonna need to do is take 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make sure that these cards go on the very bottom of the deck. All right, super simple. You just take numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and you put them at the very bottom of the deck. And then just like you did before with the aces, instead of putting 4 aces at the top, you'll do ace, 2, 3, 4. And it doesn't really matter if you put the ace next to the 4 or the ace next to the 3, because when you go to show the cards at the end, they're always kind of out of order. And there's not really anything you can do about that. That's just kind of how it goes. And those, as you know, you take them and you just put them on top. All right. So, remember we have ace, 2, 3, 4 on top. And then on the bottom, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you just put those on top, and then you just do the trick like you normally would. Yeah, that's kind of the big thing. Super simple. Call me if you have any questions about it, because you could have a few questions. And there is something I kind of wanted to tell you a little bit about. I'm not going to tell to you about this too much, because it's one of these things you just kind of have to practice and learn as you're doing it. But it's kind of one of the biggest keys to magic, and it's showmanship. And you kind of think, okay, well, what does that mean? And what that means is you're using your hands to kind of demonstrate, okay, these are the cards, and this is a single card, and these are a few cards, and ooh, I can put these out, and you see, you're not just looking at the cards, but you're looking at me, at my hands, you're getting an idea of what all goes together, and kind of to talk a little bit more about showmanship. As you're doing your trick, you don't want to just do the trick. You want to kind of talk about the trick. So for example, you say, okay, yeah, we're gonna have this great opportunity here for you to see a magic trick. And so what I want you to do is to cut the cards. And I think that when you cut the cards and we do this trick, you're going to realize that there's something really magical that's about to happen. I think you're going to enjoy it a lot. Hearing that come out sounds so much better than, okay, what I want you to do is take the cards and cut them in half. See, it kind of adds a little bit of mystery and fun, and yeah. So if you can kind of work on your showmanship, it's not so much about like, it's not about, dressing up to make it look more spectacular. It's just how kind of you kind of tell the audience member, the spectator, whatever you want to call them, the person who you're doing the magic trick, you just want to sound really excited and kind of fun and giggly and stuff like that. It'll just it'll make the whole experience more special for them, and it just makes them happier. And when they're having a happy time and a fun time, they're gonna enjoy the trick more, and they're gonna think it's more special. Yeah. So give me a call if you have any questions about this. I'll be happy to answer any of the questions. And I hope to talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.